Mike Rank.
AI. It's been around for a while. A lot of people know about ChatGPT, where you can ask it questions, type in, give me a syllabus, or give me some talking points on how to create a YouTube video, anything, and it'll tell you how to do it. But now there's a lot of new AI tools out. For instance, you can use AI now to create artwork. You can tell it, give me, I want a logo with some headphones in it and some notes, and it'll create it and it'll make it for you. Or you can even now take a photo of let's say it's a picture of a bird, and you just highlight the bird, and the bird will just start moving and flapping its wings, even if you hadn't actually, took a picture of it moving. So that's pretty cool. Pretty basic one, but pretty intense is, changing your voice. So I could easily go into an app and change my voice to sound like whoever I want. Pretty simple nowadays, and it's free. All these apps are free. And actually, the app where you can change your voice, not only does it change your voice, your lips will move with it. So if I speak in like French, it'll actually look like I'm speaking in French, not just changing the voice itself. Pretty crazy. And there's even ones where you can just swap your face out to make a GIF, where, you just take your picture and it'll add it to any kind of GIF you want, and it'll do it. One big thing I found out is I use the video app CapCut, and then one feature in that app is text to image. So I could I could be talking about anything. I could tell you a story about, I was walking down the street and I went to my grandma's house, and it was very bright outside, and what it'll do is it'll take those words and pick the main points and actually add an actual image to the points as I go along. So it'll actually make like its own basically video for you with pictures. And you could also add voice over to that. So it'll just, read over it, your text, with another person's voice, an AI voice. So basically, if you wanted to make like a motivational video where, there's pictures in the background and it's telling you about, something, you can literally do it in 5 minutes. I'll actually make a little video here of something short, and I'll show it to you just to show you how easy it is to do it.
In a world where content creators have the ability to use AI in their videos, there's one man, Mike Rank. Will he be the future mastermind of the YouTube realm? Stay tuned to find out.
So one interesting thing I learned about AI is, obviously, if you're an Apple user like me, I use Siri. And Siri, actually, when it first started, was not actually made from Apple. It actually was a company called SRI, International Artificial Intelligence Center. It was actually supposed to be an app on your phone, but then eventually in the 4S, they actually integrated it into your phone. And the voice on it was actually a real voice from a person named Susan Bennett. Just a little interesting fact there. So one cool thing I've learned about AI is that this new iOS 17 that they're coming out with, they're actually going to be adding a lot more AI features to it. Siri is going to be upgraded quite a bit more, so it's going to be a lot more intuitive. It's not going to be as glitchy, so it'll actually be pretty nice. I think it'll be one of the best updates of iOS on the iPhone ever. So when we think about, AI and how dangerous is it, we need to look at both sides. So is it helpful? Is it useful? Yes, it's amazing what AI can do. You can take a video, and now they have an app where you can take a video and you can take text, and it'll make there's an app that'll actually make a 1 minute video, completely AI generated. I've seen the videos on it. I'm sure you've seen. It's pretty crazy how realistic it looks. But on the downside of that, right now AI is so new that there's no rules. Like you could create an image of someone doing something famous that they never really did. Would that be subjective and useful in court? Or on YouTube itself, there's no rules on what you can and can't do with AI. So, is there going to be changes in the AI to where they limit what you can do with or without? Will they add some kind of watermark or something in there saying, this was AI generated, something like that? Maybe they'll limit you can't use humans' faces. I don't really know. Will there be some kind of state legislation made? No one knows. So it's pretty interesting, the AI apps that are out there. I'm curious, does anybody else use any apps for making their videos? Just curious. Like I said, I use the CapCut app, but as far as right now, I don't actually use any AI tools. So yeah, let me know if you thought this video was useful, or give me some comments, and if there's anything else you'd like to talk about or videos I can make, let me know. All right, see you later.